In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create arrows in Gimp using the pencil tool. This method is quick and practical, perfect for those looking to add simple graphics to their design projects. Whether you're creating diagrams, highlighting parts of an image, or simply adding some flair to your project, arrows can be a useful addition. Firstly, let's start by opening up Gimp. If you don't have it already installed on your system, Gimp is a free and open source image editor that's available for all major platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you've opened Gimp, you'll be greeted by its robust interface, complete with a range of tools for various editing needs. The next step is to locate and select the pencil tool from the toolbox, typically situated on the left side of the screen. The pencil tool is ideal for creating hard-edged lines, making it perfect for our arrow drawing purposes. With the pencil tool selected, we can now start drawing our arrow. To create an arrow, we'll be using the Shift key. By holding down the Shift key while dragging, you're able to draw a straight line, which can serve as the body of your arrow. Simply click at the starting point of your line, hold down Shift, and drag to where you want your arrow to end. This creates a solid straight line. Once the main line is drawn, we can add the arrowheads. Reposition your cursor slightly ahead of the line's endpoint, and once again, hold Shift to draw the first side of the arrowhead. Release Shift after clicking the endpoint to finish the first line. Finally, repeat this action to create the other side of the arrowhead. You should now have a simple yet functional arrow displayed on your canvas. And there you have it, your very own manually drawn arrow using Gimp's pencil tool. It's a straightforward process, and with a bit of practice, you can create arrows with speed and precision for all your graphic needs. It's important to remember that practicing these steps will not only help you retain the technique, but also help you become faster and more efficient. While this method covers the basics, Gimp offers a wealth of customizations and tools for those interested in exploring more advanced features like customizing line thickness or experimenting with different color outlines. Feel free to dive deeper into Gimp's resources and don't hesitate to try new things. I hope this tutorial was helpful and empowers you in your future graphic design projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of our channel for more tutorials like this one.